Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to hide developer options on LENOVO Tab P12. First go to Settings, then go to General Settings, and if developer options have previously been enabled, you'll be able to find them here. Then disable the switch and tap on Restart. And after a short while, it restarts and then the developer options will be hidden. Now you can unlock your tablet, and I'm gonna just quickly go to the settings back again to show you that it's hidden. So, settings, then general settings, and at the very bottom there is no developer options. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.